Everyone, I am Santosh Krishna Siddhartha. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see one of the best hackathon that is Google is going to organizing this hackathon that is a Cloud Fest Hackathon. So where we need to register and everything in details we are going to see in this video. So please do watch completely. Now let's go to the video. So first of all, you need to have to log in the Hackathon. So I am giving a description in the description. I am giving the Hackathon link. So please go to the Hackathon. Then after here you can see the challenges. So in the first challenge only you can see the Google Cloud Fest Hackathon 1. So hackathon 1. So coming to the overview, so it is a series of 2 hackathons. So need an easy way to feel like you are in a cloud 9. So join the CloudFest hackathon presented by Google Cloud. So where you created a themed prototypes using Google Cloud technologies, and having a chance to win amazing prizes of the critical thinking. Now so this hackathon is divided into 2 phases. So one phase is the idea and the second phase is prototype phase. So the shortlisted candidates will be a part of grand finale. So where they will present their ideas in a virtual live presentation. So we're going to see the themes. So first theme is a healthcare sector. So the use of healthcare. So basic healthcare is a still dream of millions of people around the world. So particularly in poor countries, for low-income families in India, decent healthcare during pregnancy, childbirth, and early days of a newborn remains the distant dream. So this is a one theme. Now second theme is a financial technology. So financial services have been recently begun to see innovation at this industry is distinct from others. So the difficulty isn't just in developing a new and creative services that benefit customers or asset investors and bankers in making the better decisions. So this is a second theme. So third theme is like environment and sustainability, and the fourth one is supply chain, and the fifth one is an open innovation with GCP. GCP means Google Cloud platform. So the open innovation theme emphasizes creativity while dismissing as many constraints as possible. So we welcome solutions from all domains that address as a pain point and also leverage the benefits of Google Cloud platform. Okay, so here in this you can have any number of ideas, whatever may be, other than the supply chain, other than the environment, other than the financial, other than healthcare. You can come up with any innovation idea with the support of the using the Google Cloud platforms. Next, going to the prize money. So prize money is USD 5,000 $5,000. So approximately 3,75,000 prizes. Okay. So first winner you use it to get 2,500 USD dollars. First runner up 1,500 USD dollars. Second runner up 1,000 USD dollars. Next. So these are the GCP Google Cloud Platform resources. So here you can see the 12 links are there. So you can use 12 links for your hackathon. Next, evaluation criteria. Next, so in the evaluation criteria, so first concept and innovation. Next, impact. Then complexity and implementation. And the third one is a mandatory to use GCP, the Google Cloud Platform, to build your prototype. So these are the 4 evaluation criteria for your idea phase. Okay. So one by one we are going to see in this video. So coming to the concept and innovation, here we have they mentioned the 4 important points. The first point it is like we need to have the novel and innovative idea. Second thing is originality and creativity and intent of the concept. Third one is relevance of pain points that the candidate ideas is trying to address. Next, fourth point is maturity of the technology that is used. So these are the 4 key important points for the concept and innovation. Next, for impact. For the impact, 3 important points are there: the practical use potential of the application, viability in a global context, relevance of global masses. Next, for third one, so complexity and implementation. So for that they mention the 5 points. One is the scalability Next, complexity, then elaborate of self-explanation design, then how comprehensive is the app in terms of functionality and working given the idea on concepts. Easy of change or upgrade, how easily we are able to release our new functionality. Next, the fourth one is mandatory to use our GCP. Obviously, we need to use Google Cloud Platform only to build our prototype. Next one is the evaluation criteria for prototype phase. Okay, so actually we have been discussing that this hackathon is divided in two phases. One is the idea phase and another is the prototype phase. So the above mentioned for the idea phase. Now these evaluation criteria for the prototype phase. So for the prototype phase, code quality technology architect, then is the architect designable or scalable, design scalable. Next, design, then overall usability and implementation, and the fifth one is obviously we need to use GCP only to build our prototype. So here also for each criteria they are mentioned some 5 important key points you need to be keep in the mind before building the prototype. So how innovative and creative will be your technology used? Did they use emerging tech? How was the code quality? Coding standard, beautified and well-maintained code, then algorithms, web logic, web API, creativity, logic, frameworks, and other etc. So use of the version control. These are the code quality for our evaluation of our prototype phase. Next, so GCP skill boost. So here you need to be or register like for the if you don't have any the cloud knowledge, like you need to be registered the Google Cloud skills. After learning the Google Cloud, you can participate. It is free to enroll. Next, so solve with Google Cloud as they mentioned in the previously. We need to solve with the GCP only, the Google Cloud platform only. So here they are given some links for our to use in the prototype phase. Then coming to the rules, so this is a team of participation hackathon. You must have at most 4 members in your team. So 1 member, 2 members, 3 members, 4 members are allowed. Then you can either invite your friends or colleagues from the same organization to form a team, or you can request other teams to add as a member. So it is not mandatory to form a team from the same college. You can form a team with other college members also. So the idea phase will start from February 4th and ends on March 6th. So prototype, if your idea has been shortlisted, then you are allowed to go in the prototype phase. Then prototype phase will be starting from March 25th onwards and ends at April 17th. So then completely online hackathon, so you can participate at, anywhere. So there are 5 themes of hackathon. You must can submit one of these themes. So themes have been discussed in the previously the 5 themes, and you can add open innovation with GCP. So here using the GCP is mandatory for your solution. Then next, you're expert to come up with a new and innovative ideas. Any idea that has been copied from somewhere will be disqualified. So by participating in this hackathon, you are agreed to the hackathon. So here you can form a teams. So here is a number of teams are there. Yeah. So if you have any FAQs, any doubts, you can go to the Hackathon website. So then next, you need to register the hackathon. Yeah. Thanks a lot. I guess you got idea how to register and participate in the Google Cloud Hackathon 1. Thank you everyone. I guess it is a wonderful opportunity for the college students. So please do participate in the Google Cloud Fest Hackathon. You're going to learn more, and also in the description I'm giving the Hackathon link. You can register from the Hackathon platform. So if you like this video, please drop a like button. And if you want to know more interesting hackathons, please subscribe my channel. And also you can share my video to your friends to register and participate in the Google Cloud Fest Hackathon. So yeah, that's all it. Thank you everyone.